guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today on the set of Medusa, the track work is going good and there's a part missing over there. I'm just kidding, it's over here. So the station is right behind me. I'm working on it right now to get these gates automatic, as well as we have a braking system under there, which I'll be showing you more in depth once we get to it. So that's what we're working on right now. This isn't really gonna be a time-lapse video. This is more so a casual construction update of me showing you guys one of the last few things that is usually needed to do when I build a NEX roller coaster, and that is making an automatic system. So that way I can just sit back and watch this whole thing go. So let's get right into this. Okay, so we've pretty much got our mechanism in. So with all motors all the way down here, as well as one right here, that's gonna be controlling the brake. So back here is the computer, and right here is the sensor as well. So the way this kind of works is, there's brakes right here, right at the end there on the track. I'll kind of show them to you guys. So there's brakes right here. This causes friction on the cars. And while that's gliding along, the sensor will pick up that a train is near. So once it does, then it will tell these gates to open once the car comes over here. And then after that, it'll dispatch the train by putting the brake down. And then it comes back up after another train comes in. So that's pretty much how it works, and it just keeps repeating itself all the way through until I tell it to stop, basically. Okay, so now that we got the hardest part out of the way, we are now going to actually build a station. So I'm gonna cut out some cardboard pieces and cover it up to make it look like it, and as well as give it the actual design that it has on the outside of the station. So here we go. So after about a half hour of me doing some measurements on some construction paper and some cardboard, I then came out with something like this. So this is the exterior of the building, not completely finished yet, but we're gonna put a few more designs on it. However, the interior is just about finished. We're just gonna be putting some LEDs in there to make it light up so you guys can see what's going on inside while we do glow in the dark shots. All right, so we are pretty much finished. We kind of covered the inside. I'm gonna probably put some lights in here to add on to the LEDs and everything else that we have in here. So yeah, we're gonna put some lights in there so you can actually see it in the station. Also, when we film at night, you can actually see what's going on. Other than that, the coaster's pretty much done. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and videos coming up as I keep them coming. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace.